affirmations for profession. And before we listen to it, please make sure that you be in the calm space, or you can lie down, close your eyes, and be in your own beautiful space to hear out the affirmations for profession. Here it is. I am always in the right profession at the right time. My profession is making me learn my life each moment. I'm thankful to universe to make me learn from my profession. Profession is a part of my life, and it manages itself like an integrated part of me, like the soil manages the whole tree so beautifully. Me and my profession is having its own space in this world so easily and naturally. I'm benefiting more people. I'm empowering more people around me with my profession. My personal life is absolutely satisfied and happy with my professional world, and my professional state is always at the utmost peak performance states, the best peak performance states, which helps me, which empowers me, and I choose to be empowered and be in this state. My unconscious chooses this high performance state so naturally and effortlessly. Universe always has showered me all the resources and access to them so easily and naturally. I have all the resources within me always, and I choose to access all the resources within me and always deliver what I can and what I can to this world and to my world of profession. And I know I'm worth of all of this. And I also know I'm worth of accessing my best states in my life, my high performing states. And my high performing states always helps me to create more solutions and empower the world around me so easily, naturally, and effortlessly. I choose to be happy, to be satisfied, and to be contented and filled with all these choices in my profession. And each day is reminding me to learn more and more from my profession. Each day is helping me to work with all my heart so naturally, and that takes me to the next bar higher and higher than ever before. More and more, more and more, more and more wisdom, love just comes naturally to me being here. And I learn new skills and sharpen my saw in my profession so naturally. And I'm learning from the people around always. And I choose to apply all my learnings in my profession so easily and so naturally. And I am grateful to this universe to always choose to make this happen for me, to always choose to make me reach everywhere at the right time, wherever required for me, for my life. And it just happens to me so easily and naturally. I am always at the right place. I am always in the right profession, and I'm always there in the right time, and I'm always in the best state of myself. And I thank my universe today with all the heart to make me reach here.